What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing spoiler. It should be easy to do. It's just 3M. This is the 3M row, so I have to apply it myself and with this. Once I get this done, I'll show you guys and then I'll come back to you. First thing you guys gotta do is prep. So again, you guys can see that. Gonna go ahead and spray this cleaner. And I'm gonna get my clean rag right here and just wipe it clean. Just wipe it clean. Clean the areas where you're gonna glue anything together. All right, so get a pair of scissors. We're done, guys. So as you guys can see now, I have it right there. I have all the 3M tape. First try, give it a try. Make sure you see how even it's gonna be when you put it together. All right, here we go. I'm gonna start peeling off all the tape. Okay, guys, here we go. Really hard. That's not going anywhere, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, please. Subscribe and support my channel so I can keep doing all this stuff, because nobody's paying me for this. It's my hobby. So just give me some like, make a comment. I'm gonna leave the link below with the description so you guys can go check it out. And let's go. Let's get it done. Let's keep pushing forward. Let's go.